This is a jobcost.com video tutorial on equipment page tabs. In the main cabinet, go to Equipment, click on Equipment List, choose an existing piece of equipment. Click on the equipment name from the equipment list. Right below the multicolor buttons along the top are page tabs. These page tabs can be customized by an administrator to add, change, or reorder them. These page tabs display grids with information that correspond to your equipment without needing to navigate between screens. It allows you to drill into transactions directly from the grids. These grids can be searched and sorted in multiple ways. The main tab is the equipment record information. Equipment transactions are all transactions that this piece of equipment were used on. While on any of these page tab screens, use the multicolored buttons below the page tabs. Black Excel allows you to export the grid to an Excel file. Black CSV allows you to export the grid to a CSV file. Teal Refresh refreshes the screen after any changes were made. Teal Clear Sorts clears any column sorts used. Teal Clear Filters clears any filters used. Yellow Undo lets you undo any recently entered information or changes prior to saving.